Hello guys, my name is Chanu SK, SAP FICO and S4HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you the basic information regarding HSN code concept in GST. So this concept is very important for SAP, FICO and MM Chinese. So before starting this concept, so if you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. So let's move to the topic right now. So HSN stands for Harmonized System Nomenclature. So HSN stands for Harmonized System Nomenclature. This is one kind of coding. So generally goods can be classified based on the HSN code. So this code is developed by World Customs Organization, WCO. So generally goods classification, like it may be trading goods, that trading goods classification based upon the HSN code. So why this classification has been done? Because of a taxation purpose and policy making purpose. So in India, so for GST point of view, so goods has been classified based on the HSN code. So generally the HSN code should be 6 digit, but in India it should be 8 digits. So HSN code generally used by more than 200 countries. So on the basis for their custom tariffs. So at the international level, HSN for classifier of goods is a only 6-digit code system, but in India it is 8-digit. So Indian government has decided to adapt this HSN code for the classification of goods under the GST and levy of GST. So generally India goods classification is happened based on the HSN code. It is 8-digit and the rates, GST rates have been specified over here. It is nil rate, 5%, 12%, 8% and 28%. So in nil rate, what are the goods will come under nil rate and what are that classification? In 5%, so what are the goods will comes under the 5% and what their classification according to the HSN code. And 12%, so what is the goods come under the 12%? What is the HSN code for that? So what is the classification? So these are all things happen based upon the GST rates. Generally, so we have, so HSN, in HSN around 5,300 articles and products descriptions that appear as a heading, subheadings and arranged in 98 chapters and 21 sessions. So generally in India, so we have 5,300 articles, goods have HSN code. So and products, it may be goods or products. So in India we have 99 chapters and 21 sessions only for this HSN code. So it HSN code in India. So India is the member of WCO. WCO means World Customs Organization since 97. So 1971. Since 1971, India is a member of WCO. So it was originally using a 6-digit code. I told you. So every country using HSN. So and their based upon their legal and local requirements. So HSN code be 6-digit. But in our case, so our customs and central excise duty added 2 additional digits. So in India we have 8-digit classification. So HSN should be classified in India in 8-digit. So understanding the HSN code. Generally in India 21 sessions and 99 chapters and 1,244 headings and 5,224 subheadings in HSN code. Let's look at the sessions. So there are around 21 sessions are there. So what are the goods comes under these sessions? Let's have a look at right now. So here I specified all the sessions relating to GST concept. Here session 1 is the session and HSN code list also be given over here. So session 1, so live animals and animal products will come under the session 1 and session 2, so vegetable products and session 3 animal and vegetable fats and oils and session 4 prepared foodstuffs, beverages and spirits and session 5 mineral products and session 6 product of the chemicals, and session 7 plastic and articles, and session 8 raw hides and skins, and session 9 wood and articles, and session 10 plump of wood, and session 11 textiles and textile articles, and session 12 so footwear, and session 13 articles of stones, and session 14 natural or cultural perils, and session 15 base metals, and session 17 machine and machinery appliances, and section 17 vehicles, aircrafts, vessels, and session 18 opticals and photographic, and session 19 arms and ammunition, and session 20 miscellaneous manufacturing articles, and session 21 works of arts and collection pieces. So these are all products or trading of goods will comes under the 21 sessions. So in India we have around 21 sessions and 99 chapters and 1244 headings and 5224 subheadings are there. So around 5000 goods and products will comes under the HSN code. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are completely new to this channel, please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you very much.